Today I'm gonna to show you how to set up the win-back email to get more returning customer to your online shop. So first of all, I would like to tell you that the returning customer is really important to your online store. The statistics shows the repeat customer are more willing to spend more money than the new customer. It's like 67% more. And have a repeat customer, basically there's zero cost. So here is an email to demonstrate you. So here is a workflow that demonstrates you how to set up the win-back email workflow. So first of all, you can trigger the workflow by time, and then the workflow will automatically to filter the customer who have purchased in the last 30 days. You can change the days to half year or 1 year. So who have purchasing record before, and then to retrieve the list of the customer, and to retrieve the list of customer, and the workflow will iterate by itself to filter the customer to meet the requirement that they have the first purchase, and then send them the email automatically, and then you can change the email template by yourself. Thanks for watching today. If you have any idea to generate your own workflow, we're happy to help. Thanks for watching.